Binatuuka.
Kale kati twagala kugamba nti happy birthday and surprise.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lucy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lucy. Happy birthday to you. Yes, Lucy. Happy birthday, Dennis.
Almutawa Enterprises Limited bano bakugu nnyo musonga za real estate season na oyagala kutunda oba kugula ttaka wekwate Almutawa Enterprises Limited tulina ploti ez'enjawulo enteketeko bulungi ate nga n'ebbeeyi yaazo esobokera ddala ensonga zonna ez'ettaka wamu n'okulikulaakulanya tuzikolako tugula sako n'okutunda amayumba era tusolooza n'abapangisa oba okulabirira ennyumba zo abakozi baffe bonna bakuguka era bakozesa mazima meereere.
Eno nene leero lwa nsonga nti nno era n'ekifo kya bbaala na restaurant so kiba kitegeeza abantu baba bangi nnyo okwawukana ne ku yawaka kakati eno y'abantu bisatu so kupita ejja tuuka ekiseera ekole ki ejjule nga yeetaaga okugogolamu kati dani omuntu okujja n'ajjamu amayinja kati aleeta buleesi lupiira ne lusonseko mu pipe eyo ne lunywamu amazzi ago.
Kale noonya kuba naffe ba Aulia Holdings ng'okozesa ennamba ezo ez'essimu Happy birthday. Wama DJ ne bojja. Thank you. Happy birthday.
This is a real
Surprise.
Thank you.
Nina obubaka buno n'obulala. There is a group of people, if not one person, if not the whole country, nga baagala kukwagaliza birthday nnungi. Era bagambye abantu wano neno tiimu yonna eno bakimanyi nti nwaze kusurprisinga mukulu ono obedde ali mukuwestinga budde gwe bayiseyo ne bagaana ne bamugamba mutuleetere wona amusanga mu bbanka ayinza okufuuka owa tabu
Ono omusajja.
nagamba ayinza okubeera ow'ettabu olowooza nayinza okukola ekintu
It's very tricky.
Byeyaŋŋambyeko yaŋŋambye okusinziira ku bigenda maaso mu nsi this person wanjawulo.
To be sincere, I think this is one of a kind I've not seen before.
Surprising.
It has happened, but this one looks to be unique. I've had some surprises, not so much, but this one is slightly unique. And by the look of the things, maybe you can give me a clue.
Omusigo wali okoledde ku kintu n'ogamba naye ate oyinza okuba nga wakola kya bulijjo.
I want a clue. Is he a family member? Is he?
Nange simanyi naye oli agamba bambi agala ku appreciate. Aliwe nagamba kiwamukolera ojja kutegeera kati awo mba sina kyenkoze.
That one, as it speaks now, I think she's my wife. The one who can, I've done so much for her, and I think she's the person whom I suspect could have done such, because she's around. Her movement today, I didn't understand. So,
Omutegedde entambula ye leero bw'aba mukyalawo kiyinza okubeera nga asobola okubeera mukyala wo ng'omulesa ani ayinza okubeera mu ddiirwa awo omulala gw'olaba alabamu awo kusinziira yes of course bulamu tukola ebirungi n'otabifaako niyinza okugamba naye n'ono naye ayinza okunkolera kino.
So you want to say that she's not the one?
Naye omukyala ow'okubiri gwe yagala lobooza kati tukasangulemu.
That's why I wanted you to give me maybe a clue. Is there a relative? Is a family friend? Is he?
It's supposed to be somebody close to you.
Because if it's not my wife, I'm trying to think about it. See in the who else could be that one? Maybe is he a lady or is a man?
Awo ebibuzo mbambi. Bambi.
Ogambye, I did what? That I've
Bamukolera paka nakati yagamba yaŋŋambye bw'ati mwebazizza emirundi mingi naye mpulira ayagala kulaga ensi nti nno ono yinza oba muyinako oluganda naye alina omutima omulungi.
So Luganda. With a brother or something. Is it like a brother or a sister? Any of the two. Because according to my setup, I've helped so many people. So sometimes you may be having so many, but you may not easily differentiate who is that one. But if she's not my wife,
naye asobola tomugyamu.
Maybe it could be one of my sisters.
Bakwagala nnyo.
One of my sisters. I think we have come from far. And
Kati tugenda okukola mukama wange bakutumyetumye edda kati naye kankutume weetike keeki tukkirire wali nkuwe surprise endala ojja kutya that you have people. Gwe tofaayo tugende ojja kutya that you have people that can make you happy. Esimu yani tugende twende kale kisema official kwoli surprise edition mwetuli era nga omukulu ono bangambye twali tulina kukusanga mu banka lyangamba naye mu banka abeera mu banka abeera wa tabbu nnyo tasoboka
mbutuufu mu banka it is a private place, so such things are not always allowed.
Omukulu akwanguyiza atyo okukuleeta wanagambye atya
Angambye jangu nkutwale ku lunch birthday yo. Ningamba it's okay, we were so close. So kundeeta ku lunch it is easy.
Kasi byaja tulako wali ndowooza wanaatusanga. Okuze ku lunch nga ebyokulya bituuka.
Kati nati tukyabirinze kati.
Ebinatuuka. Kale kati twagala kugamba nti happy birthday and surprise.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julius. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julius. Happy birthday to you. Yes, Mzee. Happy birthday, Nenes.
No. Eno family nkabimuko. Now, this whole team is here to surprise you. So this whole team is surprising you. Naye, soko jo tule wali ndowooza genda otule wali olampola tulabe ekiddako. Ani agenda mumubugirize bannaye yanyumire entebe genda otule wali. Naawe eyakoze ku byokulya abikoleko obwangu bwabyo tuwoomerwe naye kaakati I think everyone wano okusinziira ku the look of their face yomanyi n'ekigambo kye ku mutima naye nze kyengenda okwogera kiri kimu omukyalo ono ndowooza abadde ngeeyo n'alaba ku social media oli n'agenda ebweru n'akola ssente n'aziteresa oba muganda oba maama we n'azitwala kati ndowooza buli waawulira eyo nga babbye ssente n'agamba maama nze ono wange nze Katonda baamutonda lwakumeka era ndowooza adde nga akwebaza naye awulira ndowooza engeri amawulire gye gali eyo nga gatambuza amawulire gabi bantu baya ssente z'abooluganda be zaaki n'agamba nze bannaye nze mutowo n'agamba nze ninayo mu kitoo kyange kyo tekirya ssente so she initiated byonna bangambye ono yalwadde n'agamba nti simanyi agenda ttambula era ono ye yatandise ebyo kimu n'agamba oyo munagenda mu banka temujja mufuna so era ndowooza oyo kakati ye yasinze okuyinginiyalinga master planner tinze owange engeri gye mumanyiimu temujja mufuna plus the whole team yensonga lwaki tuli wano era surprise ndoza bakyalina ebintu birala bingi nnyo balina ebirabo naye ensonga lwaki bali wano is to wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yesu. Happy birthday
kale ndowooza ne mugenda tutuulako asipakama decoration mulungi naye ababikka bulala kati sina kyakkola ngenda twala ekyaguni buli mudozi agenda kuwayo akagambo kamu bubiri then tujja kgenda mu birabo tusale cake emmere we bagyeri ejja kusembayo bwe kiri kati antandike side zeeno ladies first most especially from the corner
I'm called Safra Muhezi. Dennis is my in-law. Dennis is my in-law. We love you so much. Thank you for caring for us. Thank you for loving us. We love you and we value you so much. Happy birthday.
Allen Muhezi is my name. Dennis is my in-law. I want to wish you a happy birthday. We are proud to have you in our family. Happy birthday. Thank you for loving our sister, by the way.
I'm called Judith Twinom Juni. Dennis is my brother, by the way, he follows me. This boy he has been disturbing me since we were young, but but for sure, I'm very, very happy for you. You are a good brother. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mpamize Cliff Memories, my name. Dennis has been my friend, my supervisor from Stanbic Antonde. We actually met nganta kumangu turi abasharo kuna cyo kushanga supervisor shanga ryomuka. So we became friends I think since 2017. So bakantera last week ngandi busy number. So when I came to Atandika, I'm sure the idea chance to no mish. Akabanye shenjerize ngo atachamanyi. So we were kuichiriza nkugurire ranch. Happy birthday. And we wish you very many more good birthdays ahead. To Jane, very kundum shija. Na nyihanga ndo butagambe bamanga me nanda cyo kubigamba. So happy birthday to many more years, to many more anniversaries muk celebrating a birthdays. Thank you for loving me, both of you. Happy birthday.
Tugenda soka tuvugana tuje wano asayasembe kamfune gwe then ifune mukyala then sembe yono yayita kwogera.
My name is Anatwa Jennifer. Dennis is my young brother. He's my best friend. I just love him the way he is since he was born. And I know he knows that. I love him so much. We are 12 in the family, but he's the only friend I have in my family. That one I wanted to tell him, like the whole world to know that if you love someone, tell him when he's still alive. Dennis, I love you so much. And I really trusted you. I sent you my money and you keep them the way I told you to keep it. I just love you. And I know you know that. So there is no way I could thank you. Only just to show you the world that I really appreciate whatever you did for me. Happy birthday.
Bobo bakanga bobo ulide.
By names of Jane Atamba. I'm very happy. Jennifer Akatinga Mbela Kuihagaher. Thank you so much for that appreciation. Abanyankwale mbagira ngo tejukata zumura. Yebale kuzumura. Nabeja mwena abahayo time yanyu. Thank you so much. Memory. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Because nkakugira nti keep it a secret. Kando beno gamba na buri zoba. Thank you so much. Buri omwe no ahonaringa kumweta it was a property. I think buri omwe magambire nka yesterday aba sisters banje. Thank you. God bless you. Happy birthday, my dear husband. I'm proud of you. May you live longer and celebrate more birthdays. Happiest birthday.
Kutendeleza Yesu oli mwana gwendi Yesu omusa igonazi ziza ewaza Yesu mulokozi Mukama wita simwe abinji nimbasa kuba muri surprise dingwa habwenchi nimbasa kuba nabanza no kutendereza nowe ebintu byona ndirhanga nuwo butandikiro kandi nuwo buherezo
Crystal Clearing and Forwarding Company Limited beboka basobola okukiriyalinga emmotoka okuva Mombasa ne Dar es Salaam ne bagituuse Kampala nawe yagala okutumya emmotoka okuva Japan etuke Mombasa oba Dar es Salaam webali okuyambako. Crystal Clearing and Forwarding Company Limited bakola ku nsonga z'okuwandiisa emmotoka omulundi ogusoose mu URA okukyusa number plate z'emmotoka okuva mu ya blue oba red okudda mu number plate za bulijjo transfer z'emmotoka oba okukyusa logbook car import and export duty computation byonna babikolako. Basangibwa ku Coin Car Bond mu maaso ga Crown Beverages oba ku Pepsi. Bakubire oba bafune ku WhatsApp.
Amanyo gakuluma gaguba olisa ludda lumu gakunyenyera bosaayi ekyokya oba ekinyogo gagasanyalala ebibuno bijja omusaayi galimu ebituli tokyalya nnyama senyesa nana habo mouthwash gwe tukomezaawo mu ccupa empya enyigiddwamu ekigambo nana wansi ne mu mbiriizi.
Kakasa nti alambiddwa bw'atyo gwe bakuguza musange mu supermarket ne pharmacy zonna era yawandiisibwa National Drug Authority.
If we don't thank God, we have done nothing. It's the beginning and it's the end. I have a verse which I'm going to read to you people, which has come to my mind, and then that's when I will say my words. As I do that, those who don't know me, who are here, most of you know me. I'm engineer Asingwire Myers Kanakubona, and all these you are seeing here are my children. Yes, I have a right to say that because I've seen them grow. Ababana bona mbarebire nibakura, nareba nibazarwa, nareba nibashoma, nareba nibaheza, nareba nibajwara, nareba nibahindurwa, nareba nibagera berere tariho kusimaranga munonga kunkiza abwo kuba nyokumba nimbareba nsimaranga munonga. I'm going to read a verse. It is in Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10. Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10. It is my verse. It is my verse for the year. Whenever year begins, I choose a verse that I go with in that year. So in this year, it is chapter 41, verse 10. And so it reads, it begins on verse 10. I read up to around 11. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you, and I will uphold you with my righteous hand. naza kushoma umuntu yankore, so that even those others can do understand it. Isaya eshura yana nemwe mushorongo gwikumi kwano gwanje gwa buryo gwo businguzi ni pamya tariho message iri ku kirejo nkaha basi rabwo ko kingwa nagamba nese kugira ngo okuseje myaka timani gawo okushango ine family timani gawo okushanga bwo kuba turabiro muri bingi kushanga turi nkaha timani gate bishemu itwe nityo ba ntumanye yitukurire ntumaye turesirwe nembabazi bishemu so mwareba ni intendereza nyo ninyesima nimba nisima rahanga munonga yo kumba reba imwe tumanya how rich I am ubutunjo bwanje bungira nabana aba imwe tumanye yo kumba ndyaho nteka ndeba ahimurigire ndebo kumureba ne mukura kwarariho umuntu osima rahanga munonga ahabwanyu ninye nyokumba reba Dennis kunde wije wanje kitera nke ngombe ahageti sima Yesu munonga avuga bani mwimwe. I'm very very happy because of you. Nisima rahanga munonga tatakaruga umunsi yatusigaho mwe bari kundana mwe bari butarirana kubi. Thanks for being a good bond. Nisima rahanga munonga habwanyu nyomaze magaranga tino kuna kuvugire V8 nkagirente maganana nkagirente 10 muri abanako konka kunkwa reba nsima Yesu kama sasire habwechi. It is to be happy aboka kunchemererwa zima munonga bana mumanye ngo nimba kunda from the bottom of my heart. Yes kumubaki mbaji kandi kumushasha kinshasha akwatataka bansigira nanyine byo kora nabandi bize konka bana kubandera bangambira it took 30 minutes na nashira. I was not ready na ntakukimanya na nakusindike na message. I didn't know anything. Konka bana banterera bajangu wangu ntwenda ku surprising Dennis kando tachigama tikani ngambe change no ikaha and I was very happy and we happy for you Dennis nangwenyo nabara nemyaka yo ine abwo kuba nyowe Dennis yazarwa nyunkandi mukuru kandi no muntu ndisize akanya karo akanyo mukikuri yanyeta ati jo nkutumi bukaburyo mwase nkashaha nkikumi nemwe nirenga ninte skasi kire hine kadisi ndebo mukikuri yanyeta yangira ati jo rebe na rugo muntu nijani kanga nayambukanije na mushango muka hakari hechikopo arhameizi go kunywa gari ngoko kora akacupa kariyaho yanyeta kuruga kuri obuseri yanyeta ati mpereza mizi go kunywa naye bwizo mukekuri yabaki nkanta ketegereze byo kuzara yanyeta kuruga kuri obuseri ndyo muntu yajya ngo muhereza ekikopo cya mizi kikakiri nkati mpeze ekikopo echo naba surprised ntambuza hati wabaki what's your problem tukubasa kwese ekikopo atato takambuza bingi nyo namuhereza mizi nagaruka umuntu kunagire kutasi dene sakaya zidi nkeri izoba ebiro 20 nare twashanga yakano muka itwe twashemerwa nkabana umwana ko yabarazarwa tugira ubugenyi muzehe ya yeta bagenzi be yitemu yakayinde mbuzi bitame mbuzi itwe twashemerwa twamweta izina namwe ndizina tambanite twari mwese abwo ko wakaba tweta batutaho bakushoza umwana bajya ngo tuje mihingo manya tukorece bitakibaho bakora ubugenyi ngumweta izina twamweta tamba namwe nirgizina nito twari mwese ritwa bakuru ubu bukaburu buto so ntsimaranga munonga Dennis thank you so much. God is good all the time and all the time ekindi kushaba byona nibibasika imbabazi zabaziru nebyo. Happy birthday my friend, happy birthday kama simwe.
Okay, tweyanzege ndowooza tugenda funa omugole ngeri yabagira de lunch break ndaga tukabesigale nga kangu tusobole okuddayo.
Oba where should I begin from? Nanye nyakubanza kusima Ruhanga abweri izoba for enabling me to reach another year, because every day that passes we get into another year. So nisima Ruhanga abokugira ngu na izoba is my birthday. I am still breathing. So speech yanje, it will be really about thanking everyone. I have not had such a surprise for the family members, I think ever since I was born. I have had some surprises from workmates, but from family members, this is the first of its kind. I want to thank you so much for your time, efforts, and the resources you put in to make this day a colorful one. It is really a surprise to me. I wasn't expecting it. I am really surprised that I am seeing people around whom I was even talking to all the time. We were together yesterday. See, we have been talking. This one we have been together all the time. But I wasn't aware that such a thing is being organized. So thank you so much for what you've done. I'm really, really very happy. Very happy for this. And it really shows much that you love me. Thank you for loving me, and you know I also love you. As he has said, I'm actually making 40 years. So tokule ngunakura. Yeah. So I can now ask for early retirement. For us who get mid-term benefits, I can now go and request for one. So 40 years is not an easy, I can say not an easy journey. It is something you have walked through, and I really thank God for enabling me throughout reaching that milestone. I want to thank my wife for what she has made me. I think the life I have, she has contributed so far, I think like 80%. If it wasn't because of her, I think I would not be where I am. She has done a lot. I want to thank my elder brother, Myers, for sure. You know, you are my close friend. We have come from far. You know, whatever you do, I struggle to do it. I'm crying not because I'm sad, but it's because of happiness. I couldn't expect you to be here. I was also surprised by you to be here this time. I know you are busy working, but spare your time and make it here. I can't take it for granted. You have done a lot for me, and I will not do what? Think zakubera mushijambi. And I will continue to follow your footsteps, that at least, as you've said, when we are happy, you are happy. So I will make sure you are always happy from my end. Sister Jennifer, we have come a long way. You remember when I finished university? I first worked with you at your shop in Old Kampala. So my first job was her. She was my first employer. She was my first employer. So we have come from far. So sure, thank you for trusting me. Even when you went outside the country, you were in Saudi Arabia, you trusted me with your money. You could send your money, it is only me, I think who knew it. You would send your money, withdraw, save it somewhere. And I did not become a bad person. I tried to make sure that your money is safe. It will do something good for you when you are back. I'm happy you came back when you are healthy, and God's grace, I had kept your money very safe, and I handed it over to you. And I did that because we had moved together a long journey, and I couldn't become a bad person on your side. Na nkanti no kwemukira. Nkajeza una making sure usente zawe as keeping us safe. It was over actually 30 million and about. It was over 50 million, which I saved for her. Because I've had stories that people send money as their family members come back and find there's nothing. But for my case, I could not do that. I had to keep the face. Someone have trusted you. I had also to do the same. So thank you so much, and let the friendship continue. Judas, you are the one I follow. You have already said it. You are older than me. Just only 2 years. So by the time we grow, by the time we reach 2030, maybe I might reach you. So thank you so much for all you have done for me. Because being the next to me, it means you guided me a lot. Everything I would do, I'll be following you. Whatever I do, I'll be following what you are doing. So ko jengo kaba utari muntu murunji, kanta kuza kuba muntu murunji. So kuba murunji kwawe kanyamba. So ni kwebaraza munonga abwecho kureba ngu ukanyamba nanye naraga mundi muntu murunji kandi binje byo nkorire. You and with your family, you have done much for me. So thank you so much, and thank you for sparing time to come. I wasn't expecting you. It is really a surprise. I wasn't expecting you people to be here. My in-law, Aaron, I know you're the one who follows her. You follow my wife. Yesterday we were together, but you couldn't tell me what was going on. You people are planning your own things, when for me I was in green. So yebare munonga byona yebare kufunda family yitu yebare kumano tuberaho no kuba close family, no, and the fact that she's your wife, she's your sister, does not she needs to be your close friend. Kunka being here at this time, I know you have a lot of work you do down there, but killing you are there and to be here, it means a lot for our family. So thank you so much for making it. Safra, niwe I've taken longer without seeing you. Na nataka kuchumanya no wasakuba waha, because my birthdays have always been in a funny way, because most of the time it happens when I'm at office. Bansharake kichwera. But in such a moment, this is the first of its kind since I was born. It has not happened. I have been doing it for my kids, but myself, it has not been done by my family. It has always done by workmates most of the time. So thank you so much. Ni mangu ni wenemirimo yawe wadisigaho wija kubera habwanje ku celebrating a birthday yanje. Last memory mpamize Wycliffe. We also moved a long journey. Ukija wanshangari Antonde as a sales consultant, I was your supervisor. Waka na ngwawa moving out, but we have remained friends. Friends in everything, whatever happens, you are always together. So I thank you so much for honoring your time and for what you've done. Because you know, when you to Zaranchi, actually you told me the other day, we've been one agent. It's memory. Why do it isn't your birthday? It is my birthday. It's fine. You can tell how to it is okay. But here I am. It has become a surprise which I wasn't expecting. Thank you so much. I'm really happy for you and for everyone here, and for your time. I cannot.
Padda agenda binyonyola. Yangu wangewa. Konyonyole lwaki omwadde ekimuli kya mane.
Njagala akole ssente abeere mugagga. Kwata ssebo.
Thank you so much.
Akole mane. So bino tugenda
ebino byonna nja nti njagala abeere smart ng'agenda mu banka. Waba agenda mu banka teri byakugenda nga ali shabbi. Bino bisibye naye muno mulimu esaawa olina okipinga time ng'omukyala akulinze tokola n'olwayo. Muno mulimu essimu nti eri bw'eneegiramu obuzibu nga muno mulimu engato uyamba bubeesimu ate omusipi teri kugenda ng'oli shabbi mukwano. Neno suiti ye ayina okuba smart ng'agenda ku banka.
kala wagitegedde, kala z'ozimanyi.
Kala nze naayiza nga bwempulira bwe njagala. Nkimanyi nti bw'ayambala engeri gw'afaanana ayina okuba smart.
Thank you so much.
Oba n'akuwulira supervisor.
Oyo. Bino bya mukyala we wakwamulabiridde.
N'omukyala omuwadde. Mulanga osusse.
Kyalo singa yagala. Anti kati behind a successful man.
Ate bamula bakuba ekikono. N'amukweka nga buli bw'ojja gamba taliiwo.
Ate olaba n'okunjagala njagala nnyo. Oyo anjagala nnyo. Bagamba bamulamu babi. Ono nga mulungi. Ekirabye. Oka mulungi lwakuba kimanyi n'omwami mulungi. Singa omwami mubi era yandibadde mubi.
Kupumula naye agwana ekirabo. Abana naalinayo ekirabo.
Mbalamusizzaako nnyo bannyabo ne bassebo nga nsinzidde wano ku Rosemary Beddings. Ate nga Rosemary Beddings esangibwa wano e Kasubi ku Bitaala. Rosemary Beddings nga ffenno twakuguka mu kisenge. Era ng'omukyala yenna ali eyo okukubiriza leka kuyingira kisenge nga nawe kennyini bwe weetunuulako teweesanyusa wabula nga teffe tulina obunayiti obulungi nga bannaye ne munno bwakutunuulako naye bannange awulira nga azzeemu amaanyi. Abaami nammwe tulina obwammwe leka kusuula ng'omusota ng'ate wano eno tulina nights ennungi eri ez'abaami n'ebintu bingi nnyo bye tulina wano ku Rosemary Beddings. Ky'oba okola ennamba eri ku screen kw'oba okuba oba tusindikira ekifaananyi ku WhatsApp kyonna ky'oba weetaaze ate nga tuderivaringa Uganda wide. Wonna w'oba tugenda kuba nga tukutuusaako eby'omulembe eby'omutindo okuva mu Rosemary Beddings.
Omuzadde essomero w'ogenda okusomeseza omwana wo naawe weewuunya engeri gy'akyuka mu byenjigiriza ly'erya Brain Parents Day and Boarding Primary School erisangibwa e Bukalango. Ssomero lya bawala n'abalenzi okuli abava awaka n'ab'ekisulo nga liviira ddala ku nassale okutuukira ddala ku kibiina eky'omusanvu. Essomero lino lya mulembe nnyo nga lisangibwa mu kifo ekyagazisa omuyizi okusoma obulungi. Tulina ebibiina ebigazi ate nga birabika bulungi. Endabirira y'abayizi ey'omulembe n'ekifo we bajjanjabirwa omuli abasawo abakugu so nga n'abayizi balina tanka kwe banywa amazzi amayonjo. Dormitories zaffe enteeketeeke bulungi omutali mujjuzo. Ebifo eby'enjawulo abaana we bazannyira awali n'ebyokwerinda ebinywevu. Tutumbula ebitone by'abaana okuyita mu by'emizannyo katemba n'okuyimba nga tulina ne swimming pool abaana mwe bayigira okuwuga ssaako n'okubayigiriza emirimu egy'omutwe ng'okufumba. Emmotoka zo we ziri eziwerera ddala okutambuza abayizi ababava awaka. Brain Parents Day and Boarding Primary School.
Kire tulina byeyagala okugamba sister. Sister ngambye wamusigaya ne mu dduuka ne weebakamu kati ababbi bakusangiro.
Ekyasinga okuneewuunyisa nti yali mwana wa university abamanyi babeera ba hayihayi
nakulaba batanga osuze mu buwunga
mazima naye muga Katonda teyali nadduuka ery'amaanyi kiyosiki n'akkiriza n'asulamu muyongere okumwagala ngamba asobola atya okukinkolera kinze lwaki yakikola alina omutima mulungi bukyazaalibwa denisa alina omutima mulungi
Deno, gambo chibonzo kwa ajabira bila bakubi gambo bakuwengo obulya bulungi.
Because I said at the start that she was my first employer. I worked at her shop immediately after university. So since then, we were so close. She would trust me. She goes somewhere, I stay in the shop, and she would find everything intact. And since then, she also trusted me. So we have been working together. From there, you got another job. We started working in the bank, but we stayed together. Her family and myself, our families have been so close. So when she moved outside the country, I think that is where things became. She had to show that okay, she trusted me so much that if I could be in the shop and don't steal any coin, she can still trust me.
Wawuliranga mukko bisere ebimu ngwesi sente nno zinangola abantu mwesimbu naye wentuka nange nennemererwa. Kano yampa sente za surprise mugamba nze ndi mwesimu naye mpaake 10.
Yeah, the fact that I was already working in the bank, my integrity is so high that if money is not yours, like in the bank we say a lot of money. So once money is not yours, it is not yours. Yes. So for me, I would see her money as not my money. And the fact that she has trusted me, how could I disappoint her? So I really thank her for what she has done. I think that is a lot of money she has put in. Because when I see each and everything here, I think it is in millions. She has put in a lot of money. Even you, she has paid you. So you can imagine, because I know this shoe is around 300 and plus. So I really thank you for putting a lot of money in me. Kunteka musente mbwene yebale munonga kunteka musente nkabulija abantu bakujja umuntu nabe aine planning ya Christmas for me is covered. Mine is covered. Thank you so much for covering my dressing, maybe until when. So thank you, sister, and I believe this friendship will continue ever and ever.
Amina. Kale bane ndabe yayine ekirabo nawe munayikirete mulete ebilabe ebyo tubimalirize tusale keeki zenziruke tukubeye ebifaananyi awo nze mbaleke ku lanchi yammwe.
It's a simple gift.
Thank you so much for the gift.
No, wakati tugenda okuddako bemukwase then sobangu okube ebifaananyi ebyo.
Kashigo tuwanga.